How to draw Diane Foxington from the bad guys, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of our drawing today, we're going to begin by drawing the nose right here towards the center of the page by first drawing a shape that looks similar to a curvy triangle. Now right above the nose that we just made, let's draw the outline of the eyes by drawing two circles that are both the same size. Now on the top of each eye that we just drew, let's draw three small thick eyelashes. Next, on the inside of the eyes, we're going to want to draw the pupils, beginning on the left-hand side. On the bottom of this pupil, I'm going to leave a small white space right now, but I might come back and fill it in completely black later on. Now let's go ahead and draw the second pupil in the right eye. And if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause the video so you have a moment or two to catch up. Are you all done drawing the pupils? If so, let's continue. Now above each eye, let's go ahead and draw a simple eyebrow, but each of them will be very curvy and they'll be very thick and bold. Now right above those two eyebrows that we just drew together, let's go ahead and draw a curved line going from left to right. This will be the top of Diane Foxington's head. Next we're going to draw two big ears that will be attached to the line that we just made. The ears that we draw will be very similar in size, although they won't come to a very sharp point. Next we're going to draw the inside of each ear, beginning on the right hand side. This part might be a little bit tricky, so be sure to pause the video or rewind as you need to. Fantastic, and let's do the exact same thing on the left hand side that we just did on the right. Once we're all done drawing the ears, along with the eyes, nose, and eyebrows, let's go ahead and draw the outline of the head. The outline of the head will come down from the ears that we just made together. On the left and right hand side of the face, one important thing to keep in mind is that there should be three pieces of hair that kind of stick out from the rest. And if you're enjoying today's video so far and you want to support the channel, then be sure to give it a big like by smashing that thumbs up button right below. Well done, so far we're making great progress. Now let's get right below the nose, and let's draw the mouth by drawing two small curved lines that are both connected. Now let's draw a circle around the nose and the mouth. This will help us separate the colors. Now additionally, to help us separate the colors, we're going to draw a shape that will connect from the eyes to the eyebrows. And we'll do this on each side. Now last but not least, Diane Foxington has a small piercing. Let's go ahead and draw the small piercing right next to the right eyebrow by drawing two circles with a line to connect them. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. If you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to check out our most recent drawings from the bad guys. Next I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in. See you next time! Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.